Good afternoon, my name is Diego Torres, and the purpose of this video is to talk to you about a letter that I wrote to a Colombian company that is ecopetrol, and there are three questions about this letter. The first one, why you choose the company? I choose the company because I think that it's one of the biggest company in this country that affects the global warming and the consume of the resources, the exploitation they have. They are now so good for the environment. And the second, how does this company contribute to pollution in our world? Well, in the first section, I'm gonna read it. I am writing to you with the pertinent respect to request that the activities be carried out near the rivers and hydraulic sources of our country. It is unbelievable that you have received a fine of $1 million by the National Environmental Licensing Authority of Colombia for the outcrop of crude oil in a well in the north of the country that caused contamination in March 2018, equivalent to about 550 barrels of crude came to the surface in the Lisema 158 well abandoned due to low production in the vicinity of the municipality of Barranca Bermeja in the Santander department. One of the reasons that I wrote this letter, it was because I feel really bad. Feel really bad about the environment. I feel that the human being has consumed all the materials that we have in this beautiful world for money, all for money. Never think about what we are doing, uh, what we've done to these kind of places, the species that live in these places too. What opinions and demands did they express in the formal letter sent to them? It was literally an oversight to leave a material as dangerous as it was polluting for the environment and just wanting to solve the damage that has been done to it simply because of a company that is spending resources on fuels and incidentally generates damage to our environment. And even worse, the only solution they found to this problem was to state that they are going to try to recover this area, but it is impossible to do something like this. Overnight, since it is a company with so much money to support exploration of new fuel methods and not those of always those who have left so many footprints on the earth and so much pollution in the environment. Help us to make this world something civilized again. Think about all the damage that you are doing. You are doing. Well, one of the advice that I give to this company is to invest in new methods or new fuels to do the work they have done, because the global warming is affected by the consumption of these kind of oils. Uh, they have exploded many places on the earth, on these rivers, on the hydraulic sources, and has affected the animals, the plants, even the human. One thing that is probably the words for the human being is that we have actually the pandemic. I think that the pandemic has taught us that we have to be more conscious about what we are doing. What is our paper on the earth? Why we explode too much? With all this, all of us, we've been on our homes, and the nature has recovered their space in the earth. And I think that probably it's a good thing for the nature, for the environment. They have recovered what we have damaged, what we are damaged. That is all. Thank you very much.